Hello friends, in this video we'll be learning fourth power. Fourth power means any number like here n to power 4 is there. It means how to find that number. So here it can be found very easily by the formula here n plus 3d plus 6d square plus 4d3 plus d4. Yes, we can find fourth power using this formula n plus 3d plus 6d square plus 4d3 d4. So if you remember for same thing for cubing, it was n plus 2d plus 3d square and d cube. This was for cubing. And squaring, for squaring, this was so n plus d and d square. So you can see that here the number of digits are also decreasing. And these all methods are from Yavadunam. So these are all a Yavadunam. And with this number, we can find the fourth power very easily. We have already done cubing and squaring. Let's see how to find a fourth power of a number starting. So starting number is there, that is 11. 11 to power 4 means this is my number and D is 1. So difference from the bases, and base is 10. So difference from the base is 10 is 1. So let's see here. So here we'll be using the formula that is n plus 3d plus, so here it is 6d square, 4d cube, and here d to power 4. Let's see here. So it will be 11 plus 3 into 1. And here it will be 6 into 1 square, 4 into 1 cube, and finally 1 to power 4. So now here 11 plus 3 is 14. Here 6 into 1 is 6. And here it is 4 into 1 is 4. And this is 1 to power 4, 1. And this is my answer, 4, 14, 6, 4, 1. This is my answer. So, and this can be verified very, very easily. So 11 to power 4, I can write 11 square into 11 square, and 11 square is 121. So you can say that 121 and 121 means 121 square we can find very easily by using the formula Yamadunam, this formula. Let's see here. So it will be 121 plus 21, and here 21 is square. 21 plus 21 is 142, and this 21 square is 441. Let's see here. So 14641 is coming. The same answer it is. So it is verified also that my answer is correct. Let's see another one. Suppose here if it is 12, 12 cube is 12 to power 4 is there. So here D is 2, here N is 12. So let's see here. So here, so 12 plus 3 into 2, this is 3D, and then 6 into D squared means 2A square, 4 into 2 cube, and finally 2 to power 4. Let's see here. So 12 plus 6 is 18. This will be 6 into 4, 24. And now 4 into 8, that is 32. And here 2 to power 4 is 60. So now we have to write the answer. So here 6 will be coming here. This is 3. This is 7. And this is 2. So 20736 is my answer. So this verification can be done using a squaring. So here it is 12 by square into 12 by square. So now we can write. So this is 144. So you can see that 144 into 144. So how to find 144 square? That is 144 plus 44 and 44 square. So this is 188 and 44 square is, so 25 minus 6, so 1936. 1936 is there because 25 minus 6 is 19 and 6 square is 36. Now 4 digit is there, so this 19 will be coming here. And so here 188 plus 19 is 207 and this is 36. We can see that the same number is verified. So here, if you forget, suppose something happens and you forget this method, simply do the squaring 2 times and find the number easily you will be finding. So now we have seen that using this method, we can find the fourth power very, very easily. Same thing can be done for more than 100 bases also. Let's see one example of 100 base. Let's see here, if I have to find this 103 to power 4. So here D is 3, N is this. So same formula we'll be using. So again, I'm repeating that formula. It is N plus 3D, then 6D square, 4D3, and D to power 4. So N is 103 plus 3 into 3. This will be 6 into 3 square. Here 4 into 3 cube. And here 3 to power 4. So now 103 plus 9 will be 112. And 6 into 9. So 9 6 up 54. And here it is 4 and 27. 27 into 4 is 108. 27, 3 cube is 27 into 4 is 100. And here 3 to power 4. So 6 is a 9, 9, 9 is a 81. So now, as this is 100 base, so 2 digit is allowed. 2 digit is allowed. So now let's see here, answer will be 81. This will be coming here. It is 08, it is 55, and 112. So you can see that this finding fourth power is very, very easy using this formula. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can ask me. So if you like this video, please share with your near and dear ones so that they get the benefit of knowing the fourth power, and that is so easily and effortlessly. So for you, you have to find the fourth power of 108, fourth power, and write in comment box what is the value. Using this system, don't use calculator. If you believe in yourself, use this system and find the value. Thank you. Thank you very much.